Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a more efficient way to use Quora to get free traffic for CPA marketing. This answer got 27,000 views. Now imagine if just 1% of those people visit your website. That is more than 250 visits. This answer got 53,000 views. That is more than 500 visits only from one question, only from one Quora answer. Now imagine if you have more than 10 of answers like this. You will get a lots of free traffic, and best thing of all is we will actually not share our link at all, and we will get free traffic. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on ChatGPT and you need to ask it to give you 100 best brain teasers and answers on those brain teasers. Okay, and ChatGPT will give you answers on those teasers. Okay, and here are the answers. So what you need to do, you actually need to take one of these brain teasers. For example, I will just copy this brain teaser, Control C, and then what you need to do, you need to go on Quora and you need to paste that brain teaser here, okay? And then you need to simply click here to see, did anybody actually ask that question already on Quora? And here you can see, yes, there are people who actually asked. Somebody actually asked this on Quora. Here we can see 26 people is following this question. And when I click here I can see 27,000 people actually saw this answer here, okay? And here you can see not that many people is actually using the tactic that we are going to use. Okay, so next thing we need to do, we need to go back here and we need to find more of these teasers to test them to see did anybody actually ask this on Quora. So what we need to do, for example, so let me just check another of these brain teasers just to see did anybody actually ask that question. So what I need to do, I simply need to go through these questions here through these brain teasers. Okay, for example, this one here. So I will simply copy this brain teaser here, Control C, go back here on Quora, and I need to ask that here to see did anybody actually ask that here on Quora already, okay? And as you can see, actually somebody already asked this on Quora. And here you can see answers, and not that many people actually use that tactic. So what we need to do, we need to go back here on ChatGPT to see the answer. The answer is pencil lead, okay? So next thing we need to do, we need to go on our CPA affiliate network. Now for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Cpagrip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network that you want. And here you need to find your CPA offer that you wish to promote. Now, next thing we need to do, we need to make a bridge page because many of the companies, many websites, including Quora, they actually don't like CPA marketing. And you need to make your bridge page. I already did that and here you can see how it actually looks. Now, I will not show you how to make bridge pages because I already showed you how to make bridge pages. And this is how it looks. Bridge page that I actually made. When someone click here and complete the survey, I will earn $2 for every person who submit their email. So next thing we need to do, we need to go back here on ChatGPT and we need to copy pencil lead. That is the answer on our riddle. So what I need to do next, I actually need to go on Unsplash and I need to paste that here and then press enter. And here I can find pencil leads. Now why I used Unsplash? Because Unsplash will give you royalty-free photos and images that you can use. And the next thing you need to do, you need to go on Canva and you need to add that image here on Canva, and you also need to add a QR code that contains your CPA affiliate link. Now to create a QR code, you can simply use a website called QR code generator. All you have to do is just paste your, in this case, Cpagrip affiliate link here and then press enter and they will automatically create a QR code that contains your Cpagrip affiliate link in this case, and all you have to do is just download that code, that QR code, go back here on Canva, upload that QR code and add it in this image. And I also added this arrow here to show people that is my actually call to action without any letters, without any words, okay? So next thing we need to do, we need to go back here on Quora and we need to click here on answer and we need to answer on this question. And then here I can say something like answer is on the image, okay? On the image, I made a typo, on the image, and then I need to click here and I need to find the image that I created in Quora. So this is the image, and here you can see this is the image. It contains our QR code, and all I have to do now is just press here on post, and I will make a post. And this is the answer on this. And when we go back here we can see some of these answers are actually getting thousands and thousands of views, and you can use that to get free traffic. Now, this is not highly targeted traffic, but you will get a lots of traffic. And as you can see here, there is not that many people who actually use this tactic. Most of the people are just giving simple answers, just text, and that's it. But images are more eye-catchy. It will catch more attention, it will catch more eyes, and you will get more impressions, and more people will give you upvotes because you didn't share a link, and also more people will scan your QR code and get to your bridge page. And also here you can see related questions, related riddles, and you can also simply copy this, and you can copy this, go back here on ChatGPT, and you can ask this, okay? And ChatGPT will give you answer to this riddle. And all you have to do is just copy this answer and go back here on Quora and answer on this question. And again, all you have to do is just include your QR code in the image and then post an image here on Quora as an answer. People will see that. Because like I said, images are more eye-catchy, and people will scan your code, some people, and you will start getting free traffic for CPA marketing from Quora. Like I said, this is a disclaimer, this is not a highly targeted traffic. You will probably need to send thousands and thousands of people to get some conversions. But it does work if you put in some work and time. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.